Take a ride in the 2017 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.